Hello friends, has this ever happened to you that you entered a room and forgot why you were there? Or you opened the refrigerator and forgot what you wanted from it? Or while studying, your mind thinks about random stuff like playing video games, calling your friends, thinking about what's for lunch or what are your family members doing, what time will you take a break, or any other random thought. This, my dear friends, is a sign of lack of concentration. Has anyone ever told you that you need to concentrate more during studying? Don't worry, you are not alone. So today, we are going to tell you some basic tips to increase your concentration. The first thing that can help in increasing your concentration is meditation. I know there are many people who keep saying meditation is the best thing and it increases your concentration level. It's high time you started meditating. Today I'm telling you that you just need to try meditation for 1 week. Concentrating on your breathing and keeping your mind focused to achieve that one-pointedness will definitely help you while studying. Next, do you know you get distracted easily because everything other than studying seems interesting and tempting to do? You want to watch TV, you want to play video games, you want to talk to your friends and many more things. All these activities tempt you because you are restricting yourself. So the second most basic thing to do to increase your concentration is to allot sufficient amount of time to do things apart from studying. So sometimes while making your timetable, students just put studies in it. This is wrong. Give time for your hobbies and extracurricular activities. But stick to that timetable that you've made. Keep a check on how much time you're giving for other activities. Don't exceed that time. And during exams, try not to focus on other activities and also reduce your break time. Now let's talk about a few tips you can follow while you're studying. The first important thing is stay away from distractions. If you have a mobile phone, try keeping it away from your place of studying. If possible, keep it in the other room. The constant beeping of the phone or even just its presence will divert your mind, and remember that you've already allotted time for your distractions. So if possible, you can also switch off your mobile phone while studying. Next, write it down. As soon as you read one page, write down the important points from that page in a notebook. Doing this has many benefits. First obvious one is that you can concentrate better while writing rather than just reading the chapter with all sorts of thoughts in your head. This will help you fight laziness and keep you awake while studying. And if you continue this practice, you will have your own personalized set of notes at the end of every chapter. Next, read out loud. If you don't want to write important points, just read the chapter and all the answers loudly. This will actually take your attention to each and every word you're reading and help you remember all that you've read. Next, go slow. The average concentration span of any individual is very low. So remember, when you start studying, start with shorter durations like 25 minutes. Then you take a break for 5 minutes. And after the break, gradually increase your time to 35 minutes and later 45 minutes. Do not exceed your study time for more than 45 minutes. Make sure you take a 5 to 10 minute break after every 45 minute session. This will help you to stay focused. Next, use visual aids. If constant reading is not your thing, then you may take help of some educational videos. You may start by watching the videos and then read the chapter from your textbook. By doing this, you will relate everything you read with the visuals that you've already seen, thus increasing your concentration and focus. To help you out, we have a few concept-related videos. Do check them out on our channel. And last but not the least, stay motivated and determined. Don't let that fire in you die. Remember, when you are not studying, there is someone somewhere who is studying hard and utilizing every minute of their time. Let this motivate you enough to concentrate only on your studies. So we end this session on this encouraging note. Let us know how you found this video in the comments below. Also click the like and subscribe button. And hit the bell icon to never miss a video by Letstute. Till then, keep learning and keep watching. Thank you.